After a long day, I love crawling into a beautifully made bed. Bedding is a great way to change up your bedroom to make it feel extra special and cozy. And if you're a renter, it's great because you can just pack up that bed and take it with you. Today I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful bed. If you're looking for the materials I use, they're in the description box below. The first thing you do is grab your fitted sheet. You want to make sure that your fitted sheet is nice and taut, and make sure you get those corners right in there and tuck it all in. Next is your flat sheet. You're going to want to put it upside down and just make sure you have it tucked all the way around so that it's really taut and clean and crisp. And this is where a quilt comes in. I like to add a quilt because it gives you that hotel bed feel. You want to just put the quilt over top of your sheet, fold it back, and this is why we put the flat sheet upside down, because now you're going to fold it on top and the nice, crisp, clean edge will be showing. Now for step 4, we're going to add our duvet. I love a big fluffy duvet, but I have a little trick to make it even fluffier. You're going to want to put your duvet on top of your quilt, fold it back in half, and then fold it in half again, and then you have this really luxe, fluffy feel. Now we're going to talk about the blanket at the bottom of the bed. This is where you can add in some fun and personality. I chose something that was neutral, but still had some texture and a pattern. You want to make sure that your throw at the end of the bed fits the width of your bed. So make sure your throw, you want it to hang over the edge at least just a little bit. After you're happy with where you put your blanket, grab those standard pillows. I like to make it look a little more modern, so I stack my pillows on top of one another. If you want a more traditional look, just lean them up against the headboard. Final thing you need to do is grab those decorated pillows, my favorite part. I always try to keep it 1 to 3 pillows because they are called throw pillows. That means you toss them on the floor. So if you don't want too many pillows on your floor, stick to 1 to 3. Are you ready for the karate chop? A little inside designer scoop, karate chop those pillows and it gives that worn-in pillow feel. And that's it. Now you have a beautiful bed, and if you have company coming, this is gonna make you feel so much more adult. Who knew styling a bed was so easy? You can just switch up your sheets and pillows at any time to give it a fresh new look. If you love my karate chop little tip, give this a thumbs up, and I'd love to see you around next time.